Fidget spinner tips and tricks. It acts as a gyro, so you can do things like this. Learning how to do the one finger trick, try it with 2 fingers, like so. It's a lot easier. Try and balance it, and then spin it.
Pretty good.
We're actually pretty good. When you're throwing it, try and have 1 finger, and just let go. Needs to happen. Try some lubricant. It's all out.
When you're wanting to moisturize your fidget spinner, this is the way to do it. So you get some nice lotion or skin cream, and you just
What does it look like, Caleb? So on now.
Wow. See? Nice, beautiful on one side.
Nice and moisturized, guys.
Yeah.
Try it. When cleaning your fidget spinner, make sure you use water. Nice and clean. When learning how to balance your fidget spinner, when learning how to balance your fidget spinner, don't use your middle finger. Use your pointer finger. It's a lot easier. Use your fidget spinner to make your poop come out easier.